Hi y'all and welcome to Cajun Cooking TV. This is Beryl Stokes and I have a special guest, also known as my mom. This is Mom Patsy, and she is gonna show us, because I have no idea. She always used to make us biscuits for every meal, especially when the family was over. So I have no idea how to make them. And so we're gonna give it a go today, and she's gonna show me how, so Mike can have some biscuits sometimes. All right, Nanny. What we got here is we got some Pioneer biscuit mix. We got half a cup of milk, and she told me to get out the big old cast iron pot, pan, skillet, whatever. And we have some canola oil. So little old lady here doesn't measure, so if you don't like to measure, you follow the directions on the box, okay? Thanks.
Oh, here we go. First off, we put the oven on 425.
Yes.
She has it heated.
I do know how to do that.
Yes, she does. So she's going to put some oil in that skillet.
And wipe it around?
No.
Oh.
She's just going to put some oil in that skillet.
Oven's done. How much?
A little bit more.
And then I'm going to roll it around?
And you're going to roll it around.
Okay. I do know how to do that.
Yeah. There you go.
All right, you go.
Okay. I'm going to pour some Pioneer biscuit mix in this bowl, because that's about 2 cups. So.
And do biscuits have to have like yeast and?
No.
No yeast?
Self-rising flour has baking powder and salt in it.
So it has all the stuff in it already.
And you just kind of make a little well, and you pour the milk in and stir it around until you get it to the consistency that you want it, because you're going to make a ball in there.
A big old dough ball.
And we're not rolling these biscuits. We're going to make them with our hands.
We're going to make hand biscuits.
We're making hand biscuits.
Now, while she's stirring that, let me tell you, she brought over a whole huge flat of fresh strawberries. They are so good and beautiful.
Hot water.
How much? So I'm looking forward to these biscuits in order to really have some strawberry shortcake. You need this over here?
I need this right here. And I haven't made biscuits in a while.
No.
So I don't know what this is going to come out to be.
She has it, but I can remember walking in the house, and especially when they were family dinners and we all gathered over, and there was always a pan of biscuits or a plate of biscuits with a wet dishcloth on top to keep them soft.
And you just roll them around in your hand. And you just take the flour from around the bowl.
So you didn't use necessarily all that mix.
No, I didn't.
You left some where you could do it like this. And kind of roll it around in the bowl instead of all over this counter.
Yeah, we don't.
We don't want that.
No. And these will come out fluffy, brown on the bottom. And they won't be perfect.
I like in these, of course, homemade is always better, but I think about these, the biscuits you can buy in the freezer. I think they're called Mary B's.
Yeah.
They're kind of like that.
Those are a lot easier than making them.
It is, but we are a cooking show.
I know.
And I sure do like the ones that come in a can, too. But this isn't too hard.
My mother-in-law used to make 30 biscuits
30?
every meal.
Every meal?
Every meal. Granny made 30 biscuits.
Oh, wow.
So, and she made them just like this,
Uh-huh.
all the time.
It was like an everyday thing.
It's an everyday thing. So we're not going to make very many because,
It's just the three of us.
yeah. And give me a little more of that water and I'll make a big one to go in the middle.
Yeah. Also, these biscuits are like the ones that Popeyes has.
Yes, they are.
I think they roll them out and because they're always uniform.
There you go.
So, you made a mess.
Yeah, I know.
So what do we do now, Mom?
You put them in the oven and cook them for 20 minutes.
20 minutes, folks. I'm going to put them in the oven and we'll come back in just a minute and I'm going to show you what I like to do with these biscuits. Oh. Oh. Well, there you go. Ooh, very hot.
Now we're gonna, since we turned them upside down, we're gonna put a damp rag on top of them. This keeps them moist and keeps the bottoms crust.
If you're not going to eat them right away.
If you're not gonna eat them right away. But I think she has plans for them.
I do. I really do. Ooh, that got hot fast. So I got my biscuit. And what I like to do with my biscuits is pour some steamed cane syrup on the top. And that's almost like having pancake right there. Well, Mike, you'll have to give this a taste test later. But these are beautiful biscuits, if we turn them over so you can see. Well, thank you, Nanny, for helping me with our biscuits tonight. We're going to make some crawfish étouffée later because it's strawberry season and crawfish season, my favorite 2 seasons of the year. This is it. So thank you for joining us on Cajun Cooking TV. This is a wrap. If you like our videos and you want to see more, please subscribe and hit that bell notification button so you can see the antics of Mike and Beryl at Cajun Cooking TV.
That's right.
Good night.
Good night.